So I want to introduce a new segment to you guys. And this segment is called Investors Mailbag, addressing your investment woes. So actually, we were inspired by different podcasts out there na alam niyo yung may letter sender tapos isi-send nila dun sa, for example, sa Sky Podcast kay Slater Young and Chris Uy. And then they'll read it out loud and they'll try to address kung paano ba tingin nila pwede nilang tulungan yung tao and solve. And so we want to make this personal to you guys. We want to reach out to you guys para mas relational yung approach natin. Mailbag number 1. So, allow me to read this to you guys kasi medyo maliit yung text eh. So, I have been following your show for quite some time. Gustong-gusto ko siya because not only am I entertained, but I get to learn a lot of new things also. So, thank you. Especially related to investing. Actually, I started investing just a few months ago. Tinatry ko gawin yung dividend harvest strategy. Okay naman siya. Wala pa ako masyadong kinikita since around 30,000 pesos pa lang yung nalagay ko. Alam ko that you guys teach na mas important na consistent mag-invest pero nahihirapan ako. So far, once pa lang kasi ako nakapag-fund at nahihirapan ako sundan ito. Wala kasi talaga matira sa paycheck ko. Galing ako sa province, need ko mag-rent dito sa Manila for work. I make about 25,000 pesos. After paying the bills, halos wala nang matira from this amount. Plus, nagpapadala pa kasi ako ng konting pera back to my family sa province. Any advice on how I can squeeze in more investments? So from my understanding, this guy is living paycheck to paycheck tapos nahihirapan siya na mag-add in consistently sa kanyang investment. So actually, alam ko si Sir Renz merong opinion and insights dito eh. So Sir Renz, take it away.
Yeah.
Ito na una.
Para sa akin, nakaka-relate ako dito kasi yun nga, I came from province din sa Northern Samar, no? And baka maiyak ako dito ah. Wait lang. Ang sasagot dito ay personal na lang din para magkaroon ka rin ng idea kung paano ko ginawa, no? Kung nasa man ako today. So ako kasi dati ang ginawa ko, no? Nag-aaral ako sa school ng college. Then ako ay nagsa-sideline ng mga kung ano binebenta sa online and binebenta ko ito. And yung mga kinikita ko ay nilalaga ko. Now the question is yun nga, may dalawang option na pwede kong ibahagi sa'yo. Is una ay kung meron ka pa pwedeng i-squeeze dyan sa 25,000 mo, kung meron pa kunyari pwede ka magbawas muna na hindi ka muna bumili ng mga branded na damit, kumain sa mga mamahaling restaurant. Kung meron ka mai-squeeze, mas maganda na, sige, bawasan mo ng bawasan. Pero wag naman yung to the point na wala ka nang kakainin ha. Pero yung kaya lang i-squeeze. Pangalawa, ito yung pinaka best option na pwede kong ibigay sa'yo. Increase your cash flow. What do I mean? Sa panahon ngayon, wag ka nang mahihiya. Sa panahon ngayon, alam ko, naiintindihan ko, based sa sinulat mo dito, parang ikaw ay panalong tinapay, breadwinner. Based sa nakikita ko dito, huwag kang mahihiya. Huwag kang mahihiya kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Kung meron kang ibebenta, meron kang skills na gusto mong i-develop mo. Kasi one thing for sure na natutunan ko, kapag meron kang skills, at ikaw yung pinaka-the best on what you do, people will come to you. No matter what happen, people will come to you. So kung mayroon kang skills today na gusto mong gawin, pagkatapos ng trabaho mo, i-develop mo lang yung skills mo. Over time, yung skills na yon and mas maganda ilabas mo ito sa platform like social media today, definitely, yung pera, papalo na lang yan. And for me, isa din sa mga natutunan ko din kasi to be honest, medyo maiyak tuloy ako dito. Nung pandemic days, itong PSE Warrior ay hindi ko talaga dapat ito gagawin kasi ako ay mahiyain, hindi ako marunong mag-English, and also bulol-bulol ako magsalita. Yun yung gawin ko, and also nakakapag-share ako ng knowledge about investing sa mga audience ko lang, sa mga kaibigan ko lang. Pero one thing na natutunan ko, good thing, na yung kasama ko today, yung wife ko, siya nag-push sa akin na kung gusto mo maging makatulong sa ibang tao, do it online. Then kinabukasan gumawa siya ng YouTube channel Then nag-start na ako mag-create ng YouTube channel and mag-upload. Then everyday, nag-upload ako. Kung tignan mo yung unang upload ko sa YouTube channel ko, ang pangit ko magsalita, bulol-bulol, ang pangit pa ng editing ko. And through time, yung editing and pagsasalita ko kahit papano'y nag-i-improve. And through that, na-appreciate ng market. Na-appreciate ng market yung ginagawa ko. And today, kung ano may nare-reap ko na reward, nagpa-follow na lamang. Yung pera, nagpa-follow na lamang. Yun kasi yung kamalian today, no? Kapag mag-start ka ng halimbawa side hustle, ang unang iniisip ito, magkano ba yung gaganintin ko, makikitain ko. Pero today, kung yung puso mo, yung skills mo, i-develop mo, I will guarantee to you na makakalabas ka dyan sa paycheck to paycheck. And syempre, you have to magtabi ka rin ng emergency fund. Bago mo gawin to, you have magtabi ka rin ng emergency fund. And for me, that's the best skills na natutunan ko na continue kung ano yung nakakapagpaligaya sa'yo. And the rest will follow na lamang.
Alright. So, thank you for that, Sir Renz, no? So, actually, Sir Renz, buti na lang napigilan mo yung pagluha mo kasi magpapalala na sana ka ng tissue eh. So, pero
dito,
Sir Renz, we are so proud of you, ha? We are so proud of you. So, pero guys, anything else to add? So, baka meron tayong gustong i-add sa story ng ating first investor.
Yeah, I want to add something. So, based from the letter, I could feel that this person is still very young, maybe in his 20s. So, I want to add something different para to add value. Para hindi ko na ulitin yung mga sinabi ni Renz. So, unang-una, you have to realize na mahaba ang laban. So, and the number one thing that you have to consider is to take care of your health. Please take care of your health kasi mas napapahaba mo ang buhay mo, mas marami ang time na ikaw ay makakapag-invest, makakapag-ipon, at you could accumulate wealth, no? And you will be able to enjoy your wealth. And number 2, increase your skills, no? Damihan mo yung skills mo. Katulad ng sinabi ni Sir Renz, try to learn as much as possible kasi you will be able to create opportunities for yourself. And also, you also have to try to network, no? Ako, personally, sobrang hindi lang halata, pero mahiyain ako sobrang. Hindi lang halata pero sobrang mahiyain ako and yeah, like now I'm really having fun na nakilala ko sila rin, sila Tita Glo, John, sila Sir John. So it's never too late. So do everything you can and also invest in yourself. Try to learn, read books, use social media wisely by consuming content that will add value to you. You will add knowledge and skills to yourself, and all of this will compound, no? Kung hindi ka pa makakapag-compound ng pera ngayon, dito ka muna mag-compound dito, tsaka sa health mo, no? So yun po yung gusto ko pong i-add. Thank you po.
Yeah, ako meron ding ma-add kasi nabanggit ni Renz kanina yung mag-add ng cash flow. So suggestion ko lang kasi kung halimbawa meron kang free time like sa gabi or weekends, pwede kang mag-apply as an online English, ano ba yun? Yung ESL, yung magtuturo ng English as a second language. Kasi ginawa ko yun nung pandemic kasi di ba nung pandemic hindi ako makalabas ng bahay. So, nag-apply ako as an ESL teacher kasi wala pa ako YouTube channel noon. So, hindi pa ako gumagawa ng content. So, nagtuturo ako ng English as a second language. Kasi pwede mo siyang gawin anytime. Pwede sa gabi, pwede sa weekend. Basta may extra ka na time. So, pang-add siya ng cash flow mo. Kasi yung, halimbawa, makasweldo ka doon ng mga 2,000, 3,000, pwede mo siyang ipasok sa MP2. Kung wala ka pang time na mag-aral about stock market, so MP2 yung safe na investment. Gawin mo siyang salary deduction. Maski yung 500 lang na minimum para hindi mo na mamalayan na nakaka-save ka ng 500 through salary deduction. So, yun lang yung ma-add ko.
Warren, anything? Ako meron ako Warren, go ahead.
Yeah. I think you have to start small, no? So don't be discouraged na 25,000, 30,000, doesn't matter. I think what matters is the act and yung consistent activity of doing it, no. But one thing that I want to give advice is don't take loans just to invest. Marami akong kilala na they're taking loans or nangungutang sa iba at confident sila papasok din sa investment kasi mas malaki daw kikitain. No, there's nothing sure in the stock market, no. So don't fall for that trap na you take loans outside and then put it in your investment.
Agree.
Right, John?
Yeah, ang gaganda ng mga advice like yung mga narinig ko from all four of you guys. So yung nag-strike talaga sa akin yung sinabi ni Renz kasi yan rin palagi ko ina-advise sa mga young kids today. I always tell them na yung scarcity value nga. Yung maganda yung sinabi ni Renz, it's not just the value na related to investing, is yung parang pinapalawak mo yung skill sets mo and ma-appreciate yun ng market like what Renz said. Yan yung palagi kasi sinasabi sa young kids in their 20s to 30s. Palagi, wag niyo isipin about making a lot of money. At that point in time, kailangan nag-accumulate ka talaga ng knowledge. Like exactly sinabi ni Kuya John, you're compounding what's up here, not what's in your wallet. Sobrang perfect And okay, so sinabi ni Tita Glo na one of the, ano yung side hustle mo, Tita Glo? Meron ako alam na side hustle na malaki kinikita ngayon Ano yung side hustle mo?
Yung magtuturo ng English online kasi pwede siyang gawin anytime
Oh,
kasi
okay.
24 hours, oo.
Alright. Kasi diba, I don't know if a lot of you guys know, diba, I'm one of the partners sa nag-start ng Vice Cosmetics, diba? Yung partner namin si Vice Ganda sa nagbebenta ng cosmetics, diba? So this one I know for a fact. One of the biggest side hustles ngayon na nakikita namin is we work with TSPs, tawag ng TikTok service providers, diba? And ang dami dito mga call center agents. Nagbebenta sila, live sellers sila online. And halos lahat pa doon, puro faceless sellers. Yung meaning hindi nila pinapakita yung mukha nila. Tapos nagbebenta sila ng produkto. Sobrang gandang side hustle. Kasi first of all, wala kang puhunan. Ang laki ng commission. Sometimes you get like 10 to 15% of your sale. So isipin mo, nagbebenta ka, nag-a-apply ka sa TikTok reseller. Galing. It's amazing. Ang dami ko nakikitang mga call center agents na lumilipat, nagiging full-time TikTok sellers. As in, you won't believe yung how much yung kinikita nila on a monthly basis. It's crazy. 6 digits sila monthly. As in, multiple 6-digit monthly. It's like nagugulat talaga ako. It's like an underground economy na nabigla ako na na-expose ako because of yung binibenta nga namin yung mga cosmetic products. It's ridiculous. So that's something that you can start with. Yung something na walang puhunan, na hindi malaki yung puhunan kailangan na side hustle.
Yeah, so usapang side hustle, no? So thank you for sharing that, Sir John. Actually, I just want to share also na when I was starting out, I had 20,000 lang to invest there, or 20 or 30,000. So iniisip ko, para ma 2x or 3x, parang ang hirap sa market So I had to look for a side hustle also, so that I want to share. So yung side hustle na ginagawa ko noon is that I was waiting for on-sale products sa Zalora or online, yung mga ganon. And then what I'll do is, I'll check Facebook Marketplace if merong arbitrage opportunity.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin na, for example, if nag-sale yung bag na to, kunyari from 1,000 naging 500 na lang, chine-check ko sa Facebook Marketplace magkano ba bentahan. Tapos makikita ko na, around 900, 1,000 pa rin. So I'll buy the products on sale. Tapos I'll sell it sa Facebook Marketplace. So I was actually able to 2x or 3x my capital during that time. Kasi yun yung palang re-roll ko. So yun, parang humanap lang din ako sa sideline during that time.